Good morning, everyone. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. I am so sorry I am still not back, but I will be back tomorrow on Tuesday, and I have left you another video to help you with your math today. All right, friends, let's look below at what I have on the screen. I've got some Unifix cubes, some red Unifix cubes. How many Unifix cubes do you see? Go ahead and count, and when you know, raise your hand and wait for Miss Pamela to snap. All right, I hope you counted to 10 because, of course, that's how many you should see. 10 is the magic number. If we can learn all we can about the number 10, you are going to be fantastic mathematicians going into grade 1. All right, today we are going to play with this Unifix cube set to see what patterns we notice. First, what happens if I take one apart from my set? 1 and what make 10? 9, of course. 1 and 9 make 10. All right, let's put them back together. What happens if I take 2 off? 2 and 8 make 10. Cool. Let's put them back together now. What happens if I take 3 off? 3 and 7 make 10. You're getting it. Let's see. What happens if I take 4 off? 4 and 6 make 10. Very good. Well, look, our stick moved all the way over here now. Let's see, let's move it back. All right, we were at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What happened now? 5 and 5 make 10. 6. 6 and what make 10? 6 and 4 make 10. And one more. 7. 7 and 3 make 10. 8 and 2 make 10. 9 and 1 make 10. And look, we're back where we started. All right, friends. I know you know this pattern very well, and you are going to do a wonderful job using this pattern today to help you with your problem set. All right, let's go ahead and get started with the problem set. Today, I'm gonna use a different color just because. How about gray? Because it's like your pencil. All right. Miss Kelly. Today is May 6th, so let's write it the other way. 5-6-19. May 6, 2019. It says, look at the 5 group cards. Draw dots to make 10. Fill in the number sentences. Okay, so what do we see in our first group of 5 group cards? Our first 5 group card. Oh, I already know. I see 8. Let's draw what we need to get to 10. 1, 2. All right, it's all filled in. So I have 8 and 2 make 10. But that's not saying it the math way. Let me say that the right way. 8 plus 2 equals 10. All right, let's do one more, and then I'm sending you off to work on the rest on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Okay, friends, you're going to keep doing this for every problem on the page. And when you're finished, you can turn it in to Miss Pamela and get a book to read. I hope you have a wonderful Monday. I can't wait to hear about your weekends, and I will tell you all about mine tomorrow. I love you. I will see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.